Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford F-450 Platinum. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke Turbodiesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at this vehicle, we can see we do get a nice dually body style with the dual rear wheels. We do get your tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, bed camera as well with a nice 8-foot box, tailgate step. We got mud flaps on the rear and front, side. We do get power deployable running boards that will go up and down depending if your doors open or close, keyless entry keypad, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn lane indicated spotlight and blind spot detection. We got those mud flaps on the front as well. And moving to the front, we got recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and red leather interior, pretty nice. Plenty of door space in the back with the leathering on the door. Floor mats with a vinyl floor interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders, 12 volt with heated rear seats, USB and USB-C, 110 volt rear vents, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with the lovely Platinum logo. We also do get your split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat as well as massaging, same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, power folding mirrors, spotlights, lights, tailgate, pedal adjusters, with your parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 205,006 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We have your volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle for you screen, which you can then go through My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage, wireless charging, some outlets, and it does close. More cup holders if need be, storage below, and of course you do get some storage in your center console, which is pretty handy. We do get our trailer backup, trailer brake, 4-wheel drive with dual climate controls, heated and cooled front seats, 12 volt and 110, storage above, below, on the dash with that lovely upgraded sound system, 6 Upfitter Switches you can set up however you please, with a nice powered rear window opener, as well as their features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, engine brake, traction, hazards, hill, lane centering, and a 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at our audio here, we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your heated steering wheel just right there. Got your phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use, search, recent, saved, have your audio open at the same time, your fave apps such as messaging and email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, your massaging seats for the driver and passenger, which is really good for those long car rides, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC93712A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.